just cruising around in the side-by-side and we're looking for alligators. They get up to 13.5 feet here. Okay, so there's about a 7-8 foot alligator right there. He just went down and we can see a little bit of bubbles. So we're gonna try to snag him off the bottom.
Perfect, let's sing.
All right, we can go try another spot. Oh, we just saw 2 9-foot gators sitting on that island, but they kind of slid into the water when they saw us coming. Ooh, that was a long shot. Well, trying to snag a gator sounds easy in concept, but it's hard in practice. Now be real quiet, real quiet. You gotta be... There are 2 big fat gators over there. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's going down. Okay, that wasn't solid. I'll wet my pants.
Told you that first step there, I'll get
Yep. There you go, you got him.
Gator.
Yep, got him.
real, 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 fast, 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 fast.
Second one on his head. We're gonna try to get a second hook in him just to make sure he doesn't get away and to help get his head up out of the water.
All right, buddy, pull up.
You pull that.
Don't let it go.
Got him? Well, there we go. We got ourselves a gator. Man, that guy is fat. That is a fat tail.
Yes.
I think he... Look at the size of that tail.
No,
That is huge.
Also, look at the meat on this thing. That's pretty
Oh, he's moving a little bit.
There we go. Got him. No.
Watch yourself, buddy.
Yeah, watch out, buddy. That is 8'2". Yeah, 8'2", about 150 pounds. That is a chonky gator.